Earlier today, Samsung will announce the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in early July 2024. Now, the design of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has been revealed for the first time. The design of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 was leaked by Smart Pre and On Leaks. The phone looks extremely similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The first 11 seconds of the video showcase the smartphone's approx. 6.7-inch inner display, the centrally located punch-hole camera, and bezels that are nearly identical to the predecessors. On the front, it has a 3.4-inch cover display with a folder-shaped design on the bottom. Both displays will be dynamic AMOLED and support a 120 Hz refresh rate. We can also expect a higher peak brightness of about 2600 nits. On the right, frame placement of the power button and the volume rockers, the SIM tray at the same position on the left frame, the USB-C port, primary speaker, and microphones at the bottom. The flip phone still has just 2 cameras. The only big change that is expected from the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its bigger battery. According to previous reports, the device could be powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is packed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset. Also have 8 or 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone will also ship with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. Last but not least, the smartphone should be released $999 for the base variant with 256 GB storage. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.